Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have March Goddess Provisions to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so March Goddess Provisions just arrived. Let's go ahead and see what's going to be in here. I have not seen any spoilers this month. Normally they send like an email or I see something from their Instagram, but this time I didn't. Last month I was really liking, and I still am, the wax seal that they had in there was just so adorable, and I really did love it. So let's see what we're going to have for the March box. When we open her up, we already have all these squiggles hanging out. So when you open it up, the card is on the top. Holy moly. Whoa. The card is on the top. This is the second time ever. And I've been getting this box for what, 4 years now? That the card is actually on the top of the box. And wow, that is gorgeous artwork though. Look at how pretty that is. That is really pretty. And then when you open it up, it will go over all of the products that are inside with the pricing, and it says Midnight Garden. So this month must be the Midnight Garden. Oh, and I did tell you guys on like, I think maybe at least 2 to 3 months ago, that the replacement deck, they were finally shipping it. If you do remember that situation with the cards, I did get a shipping that one day when I told you, and it finally literally just arrived 2 days ago. Like it literally took like well over a month to arrive. This is the first one that I got, and this is the replacement. I still haven't even opened it, but I do have the replacement. So I went ahead and just opened these just so I can at least confirm and tell you guys if they were correct this time, and they are. So like the very first one on top is this one right here, and on the back it says meditation. The other one before said yoga on the back, which you could think that that might be yoga because I mean they're just sitting in a pose. But then like for example, this one right here, they're holding all these dogs and the back says baths. And this one, now the same card, the back says time with animals. Okay, so yoga is supposed to be this one. Yeah, that makes more sense. That's the one that says yoga. And then for example, like this one right here, that is for baths, and it says baths on the back of it. And the one from the first set that was incorrect said time with animals when it's supposed to be bath. But I just wanted to tell you guys and at least confirm now that I just opened it, they are correct. So for this particular box, when you open it up, that is what it looks like right on top. So it looks like we're going to have their card set again. They've been doing these really neat cards and putting them in, I guess, every now and then. And then if you collect them all, you have like a whole deck basically. So this one here, it says series number 2, 7 cards. This is a collector's edition for 2022. Build your own deck. So the back are all the same, just like all the other ones. They look like this. And then that is what the first card looks like. There's Ghost Pipe, Fireweed, okay, so this set of 7 is valued for $7. And it says, call on the wisdom of plant allies to help guide you through your life. Intuitively pull a card and discover which plant can offer advice to you during this time. So that's really neat though that they are doing this to add to that other collection to build like a whole deck once they're all done and said. So, and I think you can actually, if you missed like the first few packs, you can purchase them individually from their site. So now we have, is this a candle? It says hand poured soy wax, jasmine, plumeria, orange, and lime. So glad I did not read rose or lavender. And it says spring haze. So I will gladly open it and give it a sniff. Ooh, how pretty. Look inside. There's some like, oop, there's some like dried flowers. And there's even like a flower. Let me pull this out. That's in the actual wax. And then you have all these other little dried flowers that are just put right on top. It does smell really nice, but I'm not getting a strong scent. My sense of smell just still is not really where it should be, unfortunately. Sorry, but I do smell, oh, I did just now make a mess because now all these flowers just went everywhere. Okay, so I do smell something in there, and it does smell kind of like fruity-ish, springy-ish. So I think that is really neat. And I'm really glad to have something that's not lavender or rose. So I'm excited. It's the Lilac and Willow Spring Haze Candle. Welcome growth and rebirth with this hand-poured soy wax scented with jasmine, plumeria, orange, and lime. Carefully burned in a safe place, valued for $14, and this can be found at LILACANDWILLOW. And there's that guy. Next we have, it says Crystal Magic Mini Energy Set. This says channel abundance and strength with this set of clear quartz and citrine. I always say them wrong, so there you go. Carry the crystals with you or place on your altar to remind you of your worth. You can find this at SHOPPEGEO.com, and you can use code SHOPPE30 to save 30% off, and this is valued for $12. So it opens up like this, and you have the two crystals. Let me get them out so we can see them a little better. So here's the first one. And here is the second one. So there's both of those. And again, that's valued for $12. Now we have is something in this mystery black bag. What are you? It's wrapped in some cute little washi tape. It says Moonlight Butterfly Perfume Oil. Okay. It says jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, essential oils, geranium, rose, orange, and yangling, something like that. It does have a little roller on top, just so if you wanted to see how you apply the solution inside the perfume. Moonlight Butterfly Perfume Oil. Be transported to a midnight garden with this delicate roll-on perfume scented with patchouli, rose, and geranium. And since they only want to use 3 of them there and rose is the middle one, I definitely would love to just pass this down to one of you guys because I don't want migraines. But you do have a perfume oil. This is valued for $25. You can find this at SOPYLAYNE.etsy.com, and you can use coupon code Midnight Garden to save 30% off. Again, that's valued for $25. Next we have, it says Holy Santo. This is a mugwort. On the back it says mugwort is linked to the power of the moon and the goddess Artemis. Open your third eye or clear your sacred space with the help of this energetic herb. This is USDA certified organic herb in rituals, incense, or place by your bed to help with astral travel. You can use coupon code Midnight Garden to save 25% off at HOLYSANTO.com, and this is a $2 value. So valued for $2. And then we have one more thing in here. It's by Goddess Provision. It says Midnight Garden Vegan Silk Scarf. Enchant yourself with the Midnight Garden Scarf. 100% recycled polyester made from plastic bottles. That's neat. Let's get this opened and see what we have. Okay. Ooh, is that a butterfly on there? Oh my gosh, look how pretty. This is beautiful. I love the dark blue flowers, and then you have the blue butterflies with the moon, and the moon phases down both, all 4 corners, all 4 sides. There's the moon phase. That is just super, super pretty, you guys. Look at that. Can you see me? I can see you. That is so pretty. I don't know what I want to use this for, but oh my gosh, you can even like tie it around your hair if you wanted to. You can use this for anything, I guess, but that is just beautiful. That's beautiful. I like the way that it looks. It says Midnight Garden Vegan Silk Scarf. Embrace midnight magic and call on your nighttime guides with this vegan silk scarf made from 100% recycled material. Can be worn or used as an altar cloth to channel nurturing night energy. valued for $33. This is beautiful. I really, really like this. And again, this is by Goddess Provisions. This is the cost of this entire box. So $33 for this entire box with free shipping, and this right here is just $33. So this pays for the entire box. So I'm extremely, extremely happy with that. Plus we do have a candle. You have 2 different crystals here. So you don't have the one single like monthly crystal. They considered this it, I guess, for this month. And there's 2 different ones in there. You have this right here. You have the card deck, and especially if you have the others, and you can add to it. And then you have a perfume oil. So that is everything for this particular month, you guys. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items for this month? I'm loving that scarf, and I like the candle. I will never complain on candles because I love candles. I'm a candle hoe. I love me some candles. I love things smelling really nice. So, and I like crystals. So I'm actually pleased with this month's box, you guys. If you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, you get 5 to 7 full-size products per box with a typical value of $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. There's free shipping to the United States. Last time I checked, it's 15 to Canada and 25 for international. This box, if you just do month to month, it's $33 per box, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go with a full 12-month prepaid plan. Everything in the box is always vegan and cruelty-free. You can pause or cancel at any given time. And what you get in the box, again, there's 5 to 7 products, and it's mainly crystal, aromatherapy, apothecary, beauty, spiritual growth tools, super food snacks, teas, and so much more. So that is everything that I have for this particular video, you guys. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about this box. What did you think of the items inside? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.